Momirira maithimisho murimu wa COVID-19 iria shirika kuoyo kaunti ya Samburu nisho itumite thirikari ya kaunti ya Samburu yuge ni kunyitanitia mushifi hari miango ya guthima andu kaunti ino niguo gutigirira graph ya namba ya Arwaru ndinabatira kuongerereka kwa ithimi nginyagia 145 gucungiririe kwambatira kwa namba ya Arwaru wa COVID-19 kaunti ya Samburu na andu 8 na hari ithabu riu ana ni matereba matatu na eri marutaga wira wa makaga.
We did random testing on 29th of July 2020 and we collected a total of 145 samples which were submitted to Nairobi for testing. Out of the 145 cases, 8 of them have turned positive, 6 are males while 2 are females. 4 of them are drivers, 2 are conductors, 1 is a business person, and 1 is a waitress.
Now that we have cases, we move to the next phase, and that's response. Basically to control the number of those that are positive, and to make sure that the curve in Samburu continues on a downward trend.
Kifarua kinene kiria kiri mbere ya mubango wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Samburu wa guthima andu ni gwethana na aria mangikorwo mahutanitie na arwaru acio kuona rurenda ruria murimu wa COVID-19 uratamba ni ruraihu na ti wira urakorwo ri muhuthu kuona aria mamenyekete mari na murimu wa COVID-19 no makorwo matukanite na andu angi no nacio no makorwo matukanite na angi na gutire na njira ingi ya kurumanirira na rurenda ruru tiga kwihoka arwaru macokie meciria mao na thutha na mataririe kuria mahitukire na aria mangikorwo matukanite nao.
We have a lot of work to do. The next step is to trace all cases for isolation. We already have their details, their residences, their contacts. Our disease surveillance team has already contacted them and we are visiting them so that we can make a decision on whether to put them on home-based care or to have them in our isolation centers.
Idenio riu aikari Samburu ni moretio mathina mbere na guthingata mawatho na mitaratara iria iheanitwo ni ministry ogima wa mwiri magutethiriria hari kwitana na virus ya COVID-19 maria ni gwithamba moko kaingi na mai na thabuni gwikira mask odumwe na mundu guikara araihaniriirie norio ngi na mitemwe na nuthu wa Jirometa Inoro TV.